Steve Blank says startups don't fail because they lack a product. They fail because they lack customers and a profitable business model. Are you in the right kind of business? When anybody starts a business, he conceives about an idea and it could be broadly categorized to be either of the 4 groups mentioned below. And they are service business, merchandising business, manufacturing business, or a hybrid business. Let me explain these terms. Hello everyone, welcome to Business Feel. Learn your business bit by bit. A service business is a company that provides certain professional support to its clients. In these businesses, the product is not a tangible one. Instead, it is an activity that helps a third party at different areas. For example, companies engaged in transport, food service, distribution, retail, and other industries that sell services rather than products. The intangibility of service is what primarily differentiates a service from a product. Products are tangible and services are intangible in nature. Intangibility of service is derived from the fact that you cannot see or touch a service. A service is made and delivered on spot, and hence it cannot be measured as easily as a tangible product. A service like a restaurant is always varying because you pay as per the service that you receive. You cannot taste the food in a restaurant and order the food. You have to first order it and then hope that it is good in taste, isn't it? Thus, unlike products, services cannot be touched or felt beforehand. They have to be first ordered and then they become tangible. So the experience that a customer will have upon receiving the services will make them either happy or unhappy. Perceived price, food, service, and physical environment quality positively affect customer satisfaction. Another example, you pay for an online ticket for your journey, but you have no idea how your travel will be. At best, you rely on the promise of the airline that your travel will be an experience to remember. But again, there is nothing tangible about that promise. Merchandising business is a business that purchases finished products and resells them to consumers. Merchandising is most often synonymous with retail sales, where businesses sell products to consumers. Merchandising more narrowly may refer to marketing, promotion, and advertising of products intended for retail sale. Consider your local grocery store or retail clothing store. Often merchandising firms are referred to as resellers or retailers since they are in the business of reselling a product to the consumer at a profit. For example, auto dealership, clothing stores, and supermarkets earn revenue by selling goods to customers. Hybrid businesses are companies that may be classified in more than one type of business. They not only make use of traditional methods of distribution, but also makes use of internet technology in order to easily expand its market and make the product or service more accessible. For example, a company may operate a string of family-style restaurants while also marketing a line of branded sauces, condiments, and other food items that are associated with those restaurants. The end result is the ability to not only attract customers who want to dine out, but also tap into the market of consumers who need certain products in order to prepare tasty meals at home. Now let's come to what a business owner does after he has started the business. How is the business owner determining whether he is in the right business or not? I mean, how do you understand that you are in the right kind of business? You have the right kind of customer, right product or service, and right profitability. Often I see people think anybody can be his customer. Just for example, if you are in orthopedic implant business, can every orthopedic surgeon be your customer? Never. Why? Because everybody does not have the same purchase habit. Those who use iPhone they will not be the customer of Vivo, Oppo, or Xiaomi. How do you know that your products or services are good enough? Do you have any metrics to assess that? Do you actually measure profitability? It varies from industry to industry. When you assess your margin based on a transaction, then it's wrong. When you derive pricing for your product or service, you need to consider different factors like your infrastructure, inventory cost, cost of service, and expense. Often in the pursuit of customer acquisition, business owners reduce their price to make it more competitive, which would help them grab more customers, forgetting the business's very purpose. The first and fundamental reason you are in the business is to ensure profit. Are you sure about your business model? Business models are important for both new and established businesses. A business model is a company's core strategy for profitably doing business. When you run a business, you reach a situation where you need fund. And you find that without the fund, you are losing out on the opportunities in business. You become desperate, and sometimes you get into a partnership to attract investment. This again is a wrong decision because the partner has to be chosen not because of the investment, but on the contribution he or she is going to make towards the business. Here are the top 3 reasons why startups fail. 1. Weak team, poor leadership. Weak team leads to poor execution, and poor leadership leads to high employee turnover and loss of productivity. Second, inability to raise capital. Certainly, if there is a shortage of capital, it can block the progress as shortage of fund will limit inventory and expansion of infrastructure. Third, poor marketing and/or sales, which will adversely affect revenue. So, to sum it up, my advice would be don't run your business based on a hunch or common sense. Try to learn more about the aspects discussed above and become well-informed and confident, which will help you make the right decisions in your business and scale your business. Let us know your opinion on this. Share your problems and challenges that you face in our comment section. We will surely address these issues as soon as possible. Remember to connect with us and our Knowledge Hub by subscribing to our channel. Press the bell icon and like the video to help us reach more audience. With this, Arindam Mukhopadhyay signing off today. See you next week with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.